Hey, good morning everyone, Wyatt here. So today we've got a Trailboss 330, the Polaris. Customer's complaint was he's riding it, and after I parked this last time, it just wouldn't start. And so we're up against a no start situation, and that's what I have to work with. So tank is full, battery's charged. He did those. When I did show up here, I noticed that the petcock was in the off position. And I want to check to see if there is fuel even in the carb. Maybe the vacuum pump is having an issue. There's a vacuum pump on these. Come down here. Anyways, this was turned off, and the vacuum pump is up underneath here, way up here. Okay, so I'll check to see if that's operating properly, and we'll go from there. Okay, I talked to the customer a little bit. He has actually been just driving it around on choke. It will start on choke, so now I've got to get in there and clean the pilot jet. I'm hoping, I've done that on one of these models before where I can just twist the carb a little bit and get to the screws. I've loosened up the front clamp right back there. Now I'm going to come to the other side, loosen up the back clamp, hopefully be able to twist the carb and just be able to get to the bowl and what's it called? Pop the main. Everything else running good. It guarantees the pilot jet. So get the pilot jet out and get it cleaned. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's why I can do it. That's right. It's ringing a bell, people. Completely forgot that. So the carburetor is actually bolted to the frame. Thank you, Polaris, for that. Right here, it's bolted down to the frame. Bring forth the buckets. Down comes the camera. Oh, hello there. Alright. This thing actually, oh my god, it still has the EPA plug. Look at this. We gotta get rid of that stuff. Guys, I don't have to, but I don't have to as long as it cleans, and I'll be happy. So I'm gonna push against this back here. Sorry, camera, you have to move a little bit here. Get off me. Get off me. Ah, I'll fall on the ground. Jeez Louise. Make sure when you're done, you run these back in with an impact. Just kidding, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad at all. But not too bad. Let's get, this is what we want. We want the pilot right in here. That's our culprit. Come on. Screwdrivers! Here's our little culprit. I guarantee you I can't get anything through it. Nope. Clogged. Alright, so I've let the pilot jet soak in some carb clean for a while. Now I just lost it. There it is. Now I'm just going to blast it with about 100 pounds of air. Maybe I'm going to do that. There we go. She is. She is nice and see air through it now. I can feel what I'm really wanting to feel is the air going through the pilot circuit. Got a slight moment of self-doubt. Think of your fellow mechanics, don't go too tight. Alright, that's it. Let's put her back in. Get your air vent for the vacuum pump. Just gotta get your angle just right to get her in. There it is. Come in straight down. Once you get her in here, you can maneuver it around a little bit here. I'll loosen that clamp up a tiny bit more. that's it. We got her running. Brum, brum. Or I should say we got it running without having to always be. Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video today. We got the Trailboss 330 up and running. I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty straightforward, I hope. And the customer is happy and will be good to go. So I look forward to reading any comments you might have or questions, and shoot me a like and subscribe. Alright, bye!
Perfect.